The U.S. economy has suffered severe hemorrhage. The government is failing on all fronts. Many cities have gone bankrupt and many more are following suit. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, the beginning to an end. There's worse on the table. The banking system is on the brink of one of the worst collapses in history. Any minor incident could shatter and crumple the world's superpower, the repercussions of which could be beyond anyone's comprehension. This time, it is going to be worse than what you experienced in 2008. Real estate, job market, inflation, tax rates, medical expenses, public utilities, and more. Every single element of your life is going to be adversely affected. Your very existence is at stake. The only way to safeguard your finances and protect your loved ones from the imminent downfall is to act now. Powered by the nature's law of profit harvesting, this short, free presentation holds the key to earn $500, $1,500, and even $2,000 a day. This is extremely urgent. You are running out of time, and that's why I'm going to keep this short. No matter who succeeds Ben Bernanke as chairman of the Federal Reserve, the result is going to be disastrous. It's a lose-lose situation for all who fail to act now. I don't want to sound like an alarmist, but I simply can't play it down anymore. The government has failed miserably, and it would take a fairy with a magic wand to put things back to normal. Simply put, the worst is yet to come, and it will happen sooner than you expect. It's not just your job that is at stake. Your pension fund, your money with banks, the investments that you may have in property, mutual funds, and more. Everything might just evaporate in thin air. In short, the coming days could leave your life in shambles if you don't act right now. The good news, however, is before the U.S. economy crumples, I want to hand you the keys to a secret treasure trove that not just protects your financial future, but also gives you access to a treasure chest of wealth. You could actually turn this into a massive money-earning opportunity so that you'd never ever have to worry about your job or bills or put up with a rigorous work schedule to make ends meet. Now, before you think this is yet another pie-in-the-sky story that makes you a millionaire overnight, let me clarify, that's not what this is all about. In fact, I will go on record and say that my automated trading system won't make you a millionaire in a fortnight or a year, period. So if you are here thinking this might be some magical machine that spins millions by investing a few $100s, sorry, it won't. Also, this is not about exposing some secret loophole or sci-fi algorithm. Such things exist only in the imagination. But if you want a secure, time-tested, and safe solution to earn quick income using the nature's law of profit harvesting, then this is for you. Yes, you can earn fantastic income from Forex trading if you trade using the nature's law of profit harvesting. I'd love to take the credit for this law, but I won't, since this principle has been in use for centuries, not just in trading, but in every walk of life. However, to remove the complexities of the system and save time for traders like you, I have programmed it into a fully automated system. Anyone using it can earn income regardless of their level of trading experience, time constraints, technical know-how. Let me just show you the results of about 3 years of testing so that you know these are not empty promises. I believe in being completely transparent, and I hate to boast about my earnings. However, it's my duty to tell you how much money you could potentially make with my automated trading system. That's why I'm showing you my results. Take a look at how my system transformed $500 into $104,386.16 in just 30 months. You can see this account statement in detail below this video. This is my third-party verified live MyFXBook trading account that is updated in real time. I want to stress that you can earn barrels of cash, even with a small investment. I opened a new account with just $500 and have earned a whopping 56.81% ROI in just shy of 60 days and still growing. You can see the verified page and statement below this video. Now, I'm being as transparent as possible. I want you to know that yes, you can make reasonable sums of money trading Forex. With that said, let me introduce myself and my profit harvesting powered Forex robot. I am Mike Rose. I graduated from college in 1990 and since then have been involved with the trading world. I joined a leading bank with a sprawling office in downtown Manhattan. I joined them as an apprentice and quickly climbed the corporate ladder to become the bank's chief investment advisor. I traded not just bank's money, but also managed enormous funds for some of the bank's prestigious clients. A fat paycheck, a lovely wife, and 2 wonderful kids. My life looked more than perfect on the outside, but I hardly had any time to spend with my family or enjoy the money I was earning. Constant pressure to excel was killing me, and that's why I decided to quit my job after working for over 60 hours weekly for more than 15 years. It was a tough decision, but I am glad I made it. For the past 7 years, I have been operating privately from the comforts of my home. I also manage the funds of my wealthy clients. I am a private person, and if it had not been for the recklessness of the present government and their crazy policies, I would have never come out in the open. But this is the need of the hour, and as a responsible citizen, I am doing what I must. Introducing PipGunner, the first ever 100% EA powered with the principles of profit harvesting. Let me explain what I mean by profit harvesting. Just like the nature's law of harvesting, you invest small amounts and harvest it over and over to capture smart money action. But here's the real kicker. Now, even if you are trading with an ECN broker, it is not uncommon that your broker takes a last look at your trades to trade on your opposite side. Well, my profit harvesting powered PipGunner is tailored to consider the market volume, the exact same technique that the brokers use to trade against you. With this technique, you will be on the same side as the broker, and it is common knowledge that the brokers never lose. Just take a look at the ruin risk rate of my EA, and you'll understand why this is the safest and the best trading EA. If you don't understand what risk of ruin is, I'll give you a quick explanation. The loss size is the percentage of the account lost from 10% up to 100%. The probability of loss is the percentage chance of actually losing this much of your account with PipGunner. And consecutive losing trades is the number of trades in a row you would need to lose in order to lose that percentage of your account. I highlighted 40% because chances are at 40% loss of your account, you would probably stop using any trading system. So, to lose 40% of your account according to these statistics, you would need to lose 119 trades. The chances of this happening is less than 0.01%. Incredible, isn't it? Backed by a powerful time-tested trading strategy and powered by the profit harvesting principles, here's what PipGunner is all about. Analyzes profitable trading opportunities at lightning-fast speed. You can make money many times over and over again from the same winning trade setup. Uses the profit harvesting technique to boost your profits. Trades at ultra-low risk with a high winning rate. Safe, time-tested, proven, and seamless strategy that works in all market conditions and at all times. 100% plug and play. No guesswork needed. Perfect for newbie and experienced traders who have no time to look at charts and study the fundamentals. Get started with low startup capital and watch it blossom into a massive profit-laden tree. You've seen my test results that earn gigantic returns of 20,877.23%. Now, let's say you had started with $250. At the end of 3 years, you would have pocketed over $50,000. And if you had invested $500 or $1,000, your profits would have touched 6 figures. With this money, you could go on a lavish vacation, spend on your kids' higher education, buy a bigger house, or splurge on things that you couldn't afford until now, never once worrying about the expenses. Isn't that fabulous? Especially when you earn this money without even having to lift your finger? You don't need to worry about the stop loss or take profit. No need to spend time and energy on technical charts or getting glued to the news channel to know how announcements will affect your trade. Now, I'll be honest with you. I cannot guarantee that you'll earn the exact same profits that I did. But I can promise you that PipGunner works, and it works like a charm. No, it won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it will give you enough easy profits to give you a secure second income. You will no longer be hard-pressed for money. Never again will you have to worry about impending bills or, God forbid, a medical emergency. Now, it's no secret that the U.S. economy is headed towards the worst of times ever. No matter if you are in a government job or a private enterprise, with the "no bank too big to fail" motto, no job is safe. The threat of your job being axed is looming, and though you may not like it, it could turn into a reality pretty soon. Just in case, if there is a tax hike or say if you lost your job, do you have anything to fall back upon, to meet your daily expenses, to pay your bills? You must have an alternate income source for your survival. So it is in your best interest to act now and grab my Forex robot while the doors of opportunity are still open. I have already shown you the real-life proof of how much potential profit you will likely earn, even from a small deposit of $100. Things can't get better than this. You know it won't. I am sure you've seen enough of the BS, selling pipe dreams, robbing you of your money. These guys will show you only doctored screenshots. The reason is their products are cheaply assembled software, with no real strategy behind them. PipGunner is the result of all my life's work. With over 20 years of experience in the investment banking industry, I know how the markets work. I am not just giving you my system, but will also give you all the updates at no extra cost. But that's not all. I understand there might be questions you have. No matter how simple or advanced they may be, I am extending my 24/7 customer support to you. Now, the real question that's been bothering you at the moment, the price of the PipGunner system, right? Well, as I mentioned earlier, the reason behind launching the PipGunner is simple. I believe that this is the time to help others. I simply cannot be sitting and enjoying my life when the rest of the world is hit by the crisis. So I have made it affordable to all. I don't want the price to come in the way of your decision making. You can have this for just a price you'd spend on your monthly coffee. Isn't that fair? You can have my PipGunner, all the future updates, and 24/7 support for just a one-time fee. But that's not all. I know you might still be skeptical. That's why I am giving you my full 60 days money-back guarantee. For any reason, if you are not happy with the profits my PipGunner is earning you, if you are not happy with the idea of earning hands-free super profits, you can simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny, no questions asked. The last thing I want is you to not be satisfied. So if you are not happy, I won't pester you with so-called advanced versions, etc. to buy time. I know all the tactics the unscrupulous vendors have been doing, and trust me, I'll never engage in any of them. That's precisely why I didn't put up any testimonials here. I hate when cheap actors who know nothing about the product speak up on camera mouthing scripted testimonials. My clients are too big to come on camera, and I believe that actions speak better than words. My irrefutable proof speaks volumes about the effectiveness of PipGunner. I really want you to grab this risk-free opportunity, but the entry to this golden opportunity is restricted. The time frame is too tight, so if you really want to help yourself before all hell breaks loose, the time is now. The ball is in your court. If you want to protect your financial future and achieve your financial goals without the stress and fear of failure, you must act now. Please simply click the button below to get started. It's quick and easy.